How to recover your Snapchat account without email or phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can recover your Snapchat account without an email or a phone number. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, let's say that you're trying to log in but you don't remember your email, you don't remember your phone number, you don't have access to neither of those, and you also don't remember your password, but you do need access back into your account. Then if that's the case, make sure to watch this video till the end. Now the very easiest thing you can do is simply opening up your Chrome browser. Once you open up your Chrome browser, in the search box you want to simply go to support.snapchat.com. I'll also make sure to have this link down in the description box. Go ahead and simply tap on support.snapchat.com. Once you go to support.snapchat.com, let me go ahead and simply show you a little bit by zooming the screen. Over here you'll be able to see many options. You want to go ahead and simply tap on this option which says contact us. So go ahead and tap on the contact us button, which you see. As you tap on contact us, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options again. Over here you want to simply go ahead and select I can't access my account. As you tap on I can't access my account, you want to go ahead and select the option which says I can't verify my email or phone number. Now many people would tap on I forgot my password and so on, but you don't want to do that. You want to simply tap on I can't verify my email or phone number. Now once you do that, again you'll be able to see a bunch of different options such as what if this was helpful or not. Now you can see it said need help with something else. You can simply tap on the yes button. And over here you want to go ahead and fill in the forms such as your username of your Snapchat account. You need to at least remember your username. If you don't remember your username, we understand that you're not being able to remember your email or phone number, you don't have access to those. But if you don't even remember your username, then you will not be able to access it. So go ahead and also enter your email address, your mobile number, which are very compulsory. And what information should we know? All of these options are compulsory. You want to fill in the details such as how you lost access to your email and your phone number, and you could go ahead and simply ask Snapchat to request them, and that you're ready for any type of further verification purposes, and tap on the send button which you see. Hopefully within a couple of days Snapchat is going to get back to you with a positive solution. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.